Hey guys, welcome to the Cashback world. Today we have another merchant for you coming to us from Curly's Carpet Repair. We've got Pablo.
Thanks, Eleen. Yes, my name is Pablo from Curly's Carpet Repair. I repair and restretch carpets. I fix the bumps in carpets. They got bubbles in them or any kind of problems with carpets, I fix it. I serve all the lower mainland and I've been doing it over 25 years, and I'm here to be service to you and I hope to service any one of you, or if you know anybody who needs my help, please give them my name. Thanks.